Today is lesson 2.1, problem solving, organizing data. Our essential question is, how can you use the strategy to make a table to organize data and solve problems? Our vocabulary word that you will see today is frequency table. What this is a frequency table uses numbers to record data. Our first problem of the day using the cubes method is going to be, the Mill Street School has students attending third and fourth grades. There are 87 third grade students and 203 fourth grade students. Which is the best estimate of the total number of students in the third and fourth grades in the school? So I'm going to be circling the numbers, which is 87 and 203. Next, I'm going to be underlining which is the best estimate of the total number of students in the third and fourth grades in the school. So that is the question. I'm going to box the clue word estimate. And now I'm going to make my problem. I know 87 can be rounded to 100 to make it easier. I also know 203 can be rounded to 200 to make it easier as well. And I know that 100 plus 200 equals 300. So my answer has to be letter C. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to be looking at a frequency table. This one is over favorite season. So as you can see, we have spring, summer, fall, and winter. So for spring, we have 4 tally marks. For summer, we have 6. For fall, we have 2. And winter, we have 3. What we're going to do is we're going to look at how these tally marks show us the answers. So if I were to look at this, which season has the most? I see that summer has 6. And the nearest one would be spring, which has 4. So I know summer wins as the favorite season. I also can see by looking at this frequency table that fall is the least favorite because it only has 2 tally marks. In your head, I want you to think about which number you can see for each tally mark. So what does it stand for? It stands for 1 vote per person. So here we're going to look at summer, and we know that there's 6. What is the difference between summer and fall? Well, I know 6 minus 2, which is fall, would be 4. Next, I'm going to look at our next frequency table, which is favorite pet. I see that we have a bird, cat, fish, and dog. We have tally marks that are 2, 5, 1, and 7. On your Post-it, I want you to tell me which one has the most and which one has the least with the numbers attached. Make sure to turn this in.